We're done with Mullayanagiri trekking. Even though it is summer, we don't feel that it is summer when we trek. You can enjoy the cool breeze. The climate is extremely awesome. Less crowd. Maybe due to Corona second wave, very less people came around. After our Mullayanagiri trekking, we are now going to a waterfall nearby. Another 13 kilometers to drive. Road is very narrow and curvy. It will take half an hour to reach there. Even last time we have not visited these falls. We plan to visit few more places and few waterfalls which we have not covered during our last trip in October. So now we are going to the waterfall. So let's go and see whether water is there. Since it is summer, not sure. But the good part is this is high rainfall area. We are expecting good climate and water in the waterfalls. So let's go and see. We are not sure. A short break. So we are on the way to a waterfall. So it is another 2-3 kilometers from here. Last time we have not visited that one. We are in Honnamahanna Waterfalls. So here we met a person. I will introduce him.
Sir, my name is Nasir Khan. So I am from Chikmagalur. I am the local guide here. I have the package of day 1 package, day 2, day 3. Total 10 places to visit here. If you want to go for waterfalls, so that also will take you. So it depends upon you how much you will spend the time in waterfalls. And all the places are very beautiful to see here. And also we are
so nearby one waterfall, that is Jerry Waterfalls.
Yeah, Jerry
right?
Falls.
So we can't take our vehicle there.
No. So only jeeps are allowed here.
Now
we are going for the Jerry Falls, Baba Budangiri is at point, Manikyadara Falls. And if you want to go for Mullangiri,
we done.
You finish.
Mullangiri, yeah.
Total 5 places from here. And the extra additional places are the Ukda Waterfalls. So it's in Muttodi. It's also a jungle safari there. After that, we are going for the Manikyadara Falls. So Natichog is the most beautiful place in Chikmagalur.
Okay. So how much time will take covering all the places?
So one day package will start from morning 9 to evening 7. And half day package we will
So
start.
now we are starting from here.
Yeah,
so what
we will
time you
start.
will be dropping back?
So 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Yeah.
So it is 2.5 hours.
Yeah, so we
now
will be
time
here
is around 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. So,
So-
we will be 3:30. We will be here.
3:30 we will be here. Okay, it's fine. So we'll cover all the places.
All the
That is better, right? Okay.
Okay.
We'll
happy
start.
journey. Okay.
In this jeep we are going to visit all the places.
Yes.
So let's start now.
Okay.
So which waterfall?
Jerry Waterfall.
Jerry Waterfalls.
So actually, it's in this waterfalls is in historic waterfalls. Its name is Dabdabe Waterfalls. So you can have the boat there.
We need to get into another jeep.
Return token.
Return token. So this is the return token. The same process will be there in downside. So you just give the token and you have to back on any jeep.
Okay.
That's me.
Sir, ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೆಸರೇನು ಸರ್? ನಿಸಾರ್. ಅವರು ನಿಸಾರಾ? ಅವರು ನಾಸಿರ್, ಇದು ನಿಸಾರ್. ನಾಸಿರ್ ನಿಸಾರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರು?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3.5 ಸರ್.
ಓ 3.5. ಇದು 4-wheeler ಜೀಪು
4-wheel 2-wheel ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಟೋಕನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜೀಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಹುದು?
ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟೋಕನ್ ಅದು ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿ
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. So again off-roading?
I think so.
We need to go through a private coffee plantation for 3.5 kilometers from the parking spot. Visitors cannot take their vehicles due to the bad condition of the road. They charge 700 rupees per jeep for maximum 6 people.
ಇದೊಂದಿದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Can you see? Hi. Jerry Falls is situated on the way to Baba Bodhangiri from Chikmagalur. Located at a distance of 11 kilometers from Baba Bodhangiri and 24 kilometers from Chikmagalur. Ride really reminds our Kodajadri trip. Yeah, right.
Have you seen that? But I want first. Visu ki challenge.
After traveling 3.5 kilometers, we reached near to Jerry Falls. Shami, you have the token with you, right? Token. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾ? ಸರಿ. Thank you, sir. From here we need to walk through a dense forest around 250 meters to reach the waterfalls. Walking through a dense forest, right?
Wait, will there be animals here? No.
Yeah.
Monkeys will be there?
Monkeys, obviously.
Okay, monkeys will be there.
Left side. Can you see that? This is Jerry Waterfalls. It is also known as Buttermilk Falls, located in the middle of dense forest and coffee plantations. Jerry waterfalls are often visited along with Mulyanagiri and Baba Bodhangiri. Water originating in the mountains flows over steep rocks offering a wide and thin white layer of a spectacular waterfall. The post-monsoon season from August till January is the best time to visit Jerry Falls. This fall is created by springs generated in mountains. A pool is formed by the waterfall below, which allows the visitors to play in the water. This is a perfect retreat from the busy city life, and it is one of the most visited tourist spots in Chikmagalur. What is that? After spending some time here, we are going to the parking area on the main road and going to visit other attractions nearby.
ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ಡ.
ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ರೂಟ್. ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್ಡ, ಬಾಬಾ ಬುಡನ್ಗಿರಿ, ಜೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
ಬಾಬಾ ಭುವನಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
This is a shooting spot on the way to Baba Budangiri. If you are visiting this place after the monsoon season, it will be more attractive than now, with a lot more greenery. This is the best place to capture beautiful photographs and for video shooting. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸರ್?
ಬಾಬಾ ಬುಡನ್ಗಿರಿ.
ಬಾಬಾ ಬುಡನ್ಗಿರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು
ಔಟ್ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 720 sir.
ಸೊ 20 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
From here, we continued our journey to the next destination, Baba Budangiri. It is 7 kilometers from here and will take around 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. Baba Budangiri, also known as Dattatreya Peeta, is a mountain in the range of the Western Ghats in Chikmagalur. The main peaks in this range are the Mullayanagiri and Baba Budangiri, collectively known as Chandradrona Parvata Shreni, Chandradrona mountain range, as they naturally form the shape of a crescent moon. Now we are going to visit Baba Budangiri Shrine. It is a shrine named after the Sufi saint Baba Budan. He is worshipped by both Hindus and Muslims. It is believed that Baba Budan, a Sufi saint who introduced coffee to India by bringing 7 coffee beans from the port of Mocha, Yemen while coming back from Hajj. There is a cave here where you will find the grave of Baba Budan, the Sufi saint. As the camera is not allowed inside, I could not capture the visuals from the cave. It was a great experience inside the cave.
We are going for Z point.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
So from here more than 800 meters only.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಣಿಕೆದಾರ.
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಣಿಕೆದಾರ.
ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಮಾಣಿಕೆದಾರ?
ಮಣಿಕೆದಾರ 4 kilometers sir.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್.
Now we reached Z Point. Z Point is often counted among the most attractive places to visit in Chikmagalur. With the cool breeze rubbing against your face and the sun meeting the land on the horizon, Z Point will leave you with a feeling that cannot be expressed literally. The serene ambience of this place is worth, and the views which make this place unforgettable.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
3,000 rupees full one day.
One day.
Waterfalls.
ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್
All
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್
those waterfalls. Manidara waterfalls, Vandamala waterfalls, and Jeri waterfalls.
ಜೆರಿ ವಾಟರ್
So
ಫಾಲ್ಸ್
we will take
ಜೀಪಿಗೆ 3,000 ರುಪೀಸ್
including waterfalls.
ಓಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
Morning 9 to evening 7.
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Okay. From here 10 minutes.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಈಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಕರೋನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ರಶ್ ಇದೆ.
From here, we are continuing our journey to the next destinations. I will show the visuals of other attractions in the next video. This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ one minute.
And do you want to experience?
ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್